Hey everyone, today I'll guide you through how exactly you can start planning your email marketing campaigns using a content calendar. If you're scrambling to put together campaigns at the last minute, you're likely missing out on significant revenue. The most successful brands know that planning sales and marketing strategies weeks in advance is key to maximizing returns, especially around major events. In this video, we'll break down the steps to create a strategic email content calendar, and this is essential whenever you're sending daily emails or just few each month. We'll use real-life examples from our clients to illustrate these points. First, let's talk about why planning is crucial. Without a good structured plan, events like St. Patrick's Day or Black Friday or Boxing Day might only contribute a fraction of your potential sales. However, with the right strategy, these events can account for 30 to 35% of your monthly revenue. When you plan ahead, you ensure that every email aligns with your broader marketing goals and business strategy. This alignment helps create a complete customer experience and hold up your brand message across all touch points. By planning your email campaigns ahead of time, you can better allocate your resources, including staff time, design efforts, and budget. This leads to more efficient operations and can reduce last-minute stress and overtime costs. With a plan in place, you have the opportunity to test different aspects of your email marketing, such as subject lines, email content, and send times. You can analyze what works best and make informed adjustments to improve performance. Advanced planning also allows you to think more deeply about your audience's needs and preferences. You can segment your audience more effectively and tailor content to meet the specific interests of different groups, which leads to higher engagement rates. When you're rushing to get an email out, mistakes can happen. Typos, we've been there. Poor layout choices, or even sending to the wrong list. Planning gives you the time to review and to refine content, ensuring quality and accuracy. Email marketing is not just about sending random emails, it's about sending the right emails at the right time. This means creating a series of communications across email, SMS, and social media that are well-timed and targeted. Let me walk you through a practical example. Consider an end of winter promotion, for example, we run for a client. Over 1 week, we executed 5 targeted campaigns designed to maximize purchases. Here's how you can apply a similar strategy to your business. First, start with a pre-event teasing. Build anticipation before the event. Start dropping hints about the upcoming deals to pique subscribers' interest. Next, plan the event launch. When the event goes live, hit hard with strong offers. Your first email should grab attention and pull leads into the sales funnel. Then we have to continue with a sustained email. Follow up with daily emails that keep potential customers engaged. Each email should offer new information or value to keep the momentum going. Of course, the segmentation here is key because we don't want to hit the full list 5 times a week. Finally, as the event wraps up, increase urgency. Use countdown timers and last-minute offers to drive home the urgency of the sale ending. It's important to not just launch and forget. Each phase of your campaign should be carefully planned and executed to keep your audience engaged and moving towards a purchase. Here's why this planning stage is so essential. When you have the scheduled emails, this allows you to maintain consistent communication with your audience, provide personal experiences that increase engagement and conversions, and finally, it's strategically drive customers through your sales funnel with well-timed messages. Now let me show you how to set up your calendar. First, you need a content calendar. For this, you can use numerous of softwares out there like Notion, Trello, Monday, but we are working with Asana, so the example will be there. We have a separate calendar for all our clients since each business is different and every niche has its own events it's celebrating. When you open the calendar, whenever you choose to do this, you have to first identify the key dates. Start with major holidays and events relevant to your audience. You can find these super fast with just one Google search. Now, when you already have the major holidays, you have to plan around promotions. Schedule emails to build up to, launch, and close out promotions. For example, if we are going to make a big sale around a certain holiday, we can start with an email a week earlier to hype up the audience. Then we can start the sale only to our VIP list 24 hours before the launch date, and we can send another email to the rest of the people as a reminder. Then on launch date, we have to let everybody know that our sale is on. The same day, we should resend the email to the people who didn't open the first one, and the next day we follow up with a reminder. The third day of the sale, we can start early in the morning with another reminder and fear of missing out with the timing or product stock. Next, we should build the last email at the evening to let them know it's their last chance. If the sale went really great and you had a good outcome, you may consider to do a one-day extension as well. Be honest, if you're doing over 30K in revenue per month, you don't have the time to manage this. Feel free to contact me and we'll make sure to implement this for your business and manage your structure. Implementing this kind of planning means you're not just reacting to the market conditions, it means that you're expecting them and acting proactively. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you see the value in planned email campaigns, please hit like, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more insights. Until next time.